How to use Find My on iPhone and iPad. When you sign into iCloud on a new Apple device, Find My turns on automatically. It also activates for your paired accessories, like AirPods, Apple Watch, or Beats headphones. But you can always double-check by going to Settings, tapping your name, then Find My, and making sure Find My iPhone or iPad is turned on. Let's start with sharing your location. Open the Find My app and go to the People tab. Tap the Add button, choose Share My Location, select a contact, and tap Send. This allows them to see where you are in real time. Next, to locate a lost Apple device, go to the Devices tab and Find My. You'll see a list of all your Apple devices and their last known locations. Tap on a device and swipe up to access options. If the device is nearby and online, tap Play Sound to make it chime. You can also tap directions to get guided to it using Apple Maps. If the device is far away, tap Lost Mode to mark it as missing and add your contact info. You'll receive a notification if its location updates. And if you're sure the device is gone for good, you can tap Erase this device, but Find My will still help you track it, even after it's erased. Using AirTag or other Find My supported accessories? Go to the Items tab. Tap an item to see its last known location. If it's nearby, tap Play Sound or Find to get precise directions. Want to share an item with someone else? Tap Add Person, Continue, then choose a contact. Make sure they're signed into iCloud and using iOS 17, iPadOS 17, or macOS Sonoma or later. If an item is far away, you can mark it as lost and add your contact info. You can also share item location with a trusted person or even an airline temporarily for tracking purposes. Under the Me tab, swipe up to access advanced settings. You can label your current location, temporarily turn off location sharing, or even send your location via satellite if you're out of Wi-Fi or cellular coverage, available on iPhone 14 or later using iOS 16.1 or newer. And that's how to use Find My on iPhone or iPad to keep track of your important devices, share your location securely, and stay connected with friends and family, no matter where you are. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe.